Hello viewers on YouTube. From what you just saw back there, here is what we got from that air conditioning compressor. Okay, so for this we have nothing to do with this. This is what was holding our stator right there. Okay, it's the same thing what I showed you. Now I'm gonna take this out. Now let's talk about, oh boy, this machine here. So you can see the wires are very thick. Cannot even compare them to those motor we have been using. These wires are very thick. Okay, look at that. I didn't measure, but I can see these have to be maybe 1.2 mm, these wires. Anyway, see the connection. The wires here, one like this one here is red, black, and this one it's not labeled. Anyway, we figure it out. Oh my god, there's so much oil, but anyway, no problem. So we're gonna convert this into a generator or an alternator. Okay, remember it was just a motor from where it was. Now how are we going to convert it? Remember what I used to say all the time, when the wires are very thick like these wires you see right here, when you're making your rotor, you don't have to make so many poles. You only need 2 poles. Okay, just like this. Okay, if you want to make a real alternator or a real generator with strong voltage, this is what you have to do. But if you can put like so many poles inside here, I am telling you, it's not going to be producing much power. Okay, but anyway, there's so many inventors out there. I don't know, we have different experiences, but what I know, when the wires are very thick like this is what you have to do. Okay, so now we're gonna push this inside here. Okay, and these ugly boys are going to hold the stator so that it can spin freely without touching these walls inside. Okay, don't worry, the magnets are strong, very strong. Okay, oh boy, see that? So you don't have to worry, we're gonna produce power. Right, without wasting much time, let's begin. So this is gonna stay here like that. Make sure it's straight at the middle right there. Then we'll throw this inside and this one will hold on top. So I'm gonna pause the video, do all of that stuff, because it's not simple to push this magnet inside. Okay, all right people, I'm done putting it together. Here it is. It is spinning very well. Here the output. Okay, right there. Ooh, right here, but it has oil. You know, in a compressor they put oil inside for cooling down. That's why today I have this thing here. But right, the moment of truth. Now this side we are testing the output. Should I do that? Yeah, okay. All right, now we start with red. There, and this one with no any color marked. Right, see that? That's 7 volts. 19, 21. All right. Now let's check red and black. It's red and black. Black is this short one. Okay. 16, 16, 17. No, that means black is not good, but red in the wire which is not marked any color. Sometimes it can be white, it depends. Okay, so one more time. Check this here. You see these wires? They're good. So we're gonna leave this one aside. All right, now we connected this. All right, nothing else under here. It's only a machine here and the adapter. Right, so first we're gonna start with this light bulb. Okay, this is 9 watts, and let's see if see no extra connections. Right, now we're using this to pull. Be there where anyone else can see you. Okay, not too much, because we all know that this is easy to be on. In case of shock, I'm using this to hold it. Right, now ready? See that? That was so easy. Okay, so what if now we're going up. We start with 9 watts. Now we're going to this 20 watts. 20 watts. Hope you can see there. 230 volts, 20 watts. Okay, black and blue together, white and red. Okay, now what is this now? Okay, good. Hope you're gonna see this little guy. All right, rope is ready. Now, let's hold it. If it's shocking, nope, no chances. Right, ready? See that? Should we do it again? Okay. One more time. Okay. 3, 2. Now I'm holding here. Right. Yep. Okay. Now what if we can go to 55 watts, which is the mouse. 55 watts. Okay. Here is a cable. Okay, there it is. Right there. I hope the cable is showing. And the mouse is on. Right, now let's see if we can power this 55 watts. All right, rope is ready right here. I am pausing when I'm rolling the rope, just to make sure we're not taking much time. Okay, now ready. Check this. Ooh, you see that? This is interesting, but I knew, because as I said, the wires are thick. So the more thick wires you have, the more output you get. Okay, it can be small like this, but because the wires used in here, they are thick, yeah, that's how you can get more watts or more power. That's all I can say. I don't know how I can explain it, because as you know, there's a difference between power or the watts and the voltage. The voltage can be 240, but the watts can be higher because it depends to how thick are your wires. Anyway, one more time, the last time, 55 watts. All right, now let's go higher to 100 watts. You know these old school bulbs? See that? 100 watts. Okay, so let's move this out. Okay, that was test number 3. Now to test number 4. Connection is ready. Taking out this and reconnecting this. Remember, in our channel we don't do fake things. Now we do the right thing. In case you are new in here. All right, I hope there you can see now. Ready? Oh. All right, now the rope is ready. Check there. 1. Oh yeah, I can feel it that now it's taking a load now, big load. I can even feel it when I'm pulling. Anyway, one more time. Uh-oh. Okay, now one more time. Ready? Okay, that's 100 watts, but you can feel that resistance. Okay, but now we're done with this test. Now the last one is 500 watts. See there? This is 500 watts, not modified. I mean modified. No, this is a grinder, origin shards. Right, now here's our grinder. Here's the wire. Right there. You're plugging it right here. Oh, come on. Okay, right there. Okay, if we do like that, and now it's on. Let's put it slowly right there. Okay, here we can see the cable. From there, here it is to our grinder. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. I want you to see the full cable, just like that, and here, right. Now, we're doing the same thing, okay, wrapping our, all right, now the rope is ready, okay, there we go. So I do the pulling, you check the spinning, okay, ready? One, see that? Oh yeah, this one, I'm gonna sick my hand is gonna suffer today, but you know what, I got power. I can do this. I can do this the whole day. I can do it. Okay, don't worry, we're almost there, almost. Right, now second from the last. Ready? Okay, let's go. See that? Right, so what if that is 500 watts? Okay, so what if we can add the 9 watts? Okay, okay, there we go. Let's put it there. Right, now we have 509 watts. Let's see this. Oh my god, it's spinning, of course. Okay, nothing to worry about. We can do this. Right. Almost done. Come on. Alright people, please, for those who are new, don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to like this video so that we can come back next time and connect the motor here, spin it with a full speed, and see maybe we can go more than running one machine. Maybe we are going to connect all the light bulbs, this machine, fan, and some other extra tools. But for now, because I'm using this rope to pull, this is, I think this is the maximum according to my power. Okay, so let's do it. 509 watts. Let's pull it and see if we can make it. Ready? One. All right, now I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video.